We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello all, this is part 4 of turn. Hello all, this is part 4 of first order circuits analysis. So today we will be studying discharging of RL circuits. So in previous circuit we have already studied charging case. If you have seen the other videos then this would be easy to understand. So in the derivation, it is now simple that because this is discharging, it means that supply voltage is totally disconnected. So there will be some resistance over here, there is inductance over here, and there is another resistance which is present over here. So initially, switch was connected to first position. Initially, switch was connected to first position, and this inductor is charged. Now the switch is brought to second position, and in this inductor is discharging. Okay. So note that voltage across resistance will be equals to voltage across the inductance because they both are connected in parallel. So IR will be equals to minus L di by dt. This minus sign is because current in the inductor is now flowing in the opposite side. So now it will be minus IR minus L di by dt. That will be equals to minus L. That will be equals to 0. So from this you can say that R by L into dt will be equals to minus di by capital di by I. Okay, give this as equation number 1. So if you solve this, you have to just integrate both the sides. So from this you will get minus R by L into dt will be equals to logarithm of I plus C. Taking this negative term on the left hand side, you will get minus sign over here. Now to find C, you have to, you know that initial condition is at t equals to 0, I is equals to I max. Because this is discharging case, so current will decrease from maximum value to 0. So maximum value is at initial condition. So keeping this value, you will get the value of constant C. So C will be equals to, so you know that I is equals to I max, this is 0. So C will be equals to minus log of I max. Keep the value of C over here. So you will get that minus R by L into T will be equals to log I plus minus log I max. So now you know that this is difference of two logarithmic terms. So you will get that they will be divided. So it will be log of I by I max. From here you can find the value of I. So you get that I will be equals to I max into e raised to minus R t by L. And following equation justifies that characteristics of current and the condition of RL discharging. Why? Because you know that during discharging current will decrease, and over here you can see that current is decreasing function because e raised to negative term is represented. From this you are able to find even the inductor voltage, it will just be L dIL by dt, and from here you will be able to find the value of inductor voltage. So let us see. So here you can see current, easily say that current will exponentially decay. Okay, it will decay to 0 at t equals to infinity. The characteristics of inductor voltage and inductor current will be that inductor voltage will rise from minus L di by dt to 0, and inductor current will decrease from V by R. to 0. And now again, because this characteristics has changed, the time constant's definition will also change. So now this time constant tau is the time taken by inductor voltage to increase from minus L di by dt to 63% of its initial value, or you can say that is the time taken by inductor current to decrease from V by R, that is from maximum value to 36.7% of its initial value. So this is the equation, this is the sentence form which from the figure. So I hope that you have understood till here. In the next lecture we will be discussing for, so this is the discharging inductor analysis. So the conclusions are that initially switch is closed, so VR is equals to VL. Now as per Lenz's law, EMF opposes the cause producing it, and that is nothing but di by dt. Now this IL decays from Imax, that is V by R to 0, and inductor voltage falls from minus L di by dt to 0. And this IL is equals to Imax, and this VL will be equals to minus L di by dt. In the next lecture, we will be discussing for the summary of first order RL and RC circuit. So till here, I hope that you have understood the analysis of discharging inductor. Thank you.